Before proceeding, please confirm that your mains water supply is completely turned off. Open the box containing your tap and boiler. Lay out all parts neatly and make sure the hose numbers are clearly visible. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your Quel Tap Ultra Plus system. Prepare your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, 2 adjustable spanners and a drill. Your Quel Tap Ultra Plus model requires one standard plug socket installed inside the cupboard. Once everything is prepared, we can begin the installation. Step 2. Prepare the tap. Place the tap on a soft surface to protect the finish. Check that all factory-fitted hoses are secure. If needed, gently tighten clockwise. Do not over-tighten. Step 3. Fit the tap. Feed all hoses through the tap hole in your sink or worktop. Start with the larger components, including the black hose. Insert the screws into the brass fixing nut. Slide the rubber washer over the hoses first and push it up to the base of the tap. Next, guide the metal washer over the braided hoses, then the black hose. Ensure nothing twists. Push the washer into place. Attach the metal fixing nut and turn clockwise.
Take a moment.
Align the tap so it sits perfectly straight. Fully tighten the fixing nut. Then secure the 2 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Slide the black plastic sleeve upwards along the black hose, positioning it centrally between the copper pipes. This ensures smooth pull-out movement. Attach the black weight approximately 10 centimeters from the start of the hose. Tighten securely. You may adjust later if required. Step 4. Connect hot and cold water. Connect the braided hose marked hot to the mains hot supply. Install the metal 3-way fitting onto the cold feed. Connect the braided hose marked cold to the top of the fitting. Insert one end of the push-fit braided hose into the 3-way fitting. Check all connections feel secure. Step 5. Install the filter. Unscrew the filter housing. Remove the filter from its packaging and insert the filter cartridge into place. Ensure the rubber ring is correctly positioned before tightening the housing lid firmly onto the body. Mount the bracket onto the cupboard wall. Leave enough space below for future filter changes. Push the housing up into the bracket, then turn a quarter turn to lock. Step 6. Connect filtration hoses. Insert the braided hose from the 3-way fitting into the filter inlet. Follow the direction arrow. Secure with a plastic clip. Attach the smaller 3-way connector to the filter outlet. Secure with a clip. Connect hoses 4 and 5. Attach the larger 3-way connector to the black hose. Insert the hose marked Pure. Connect the remaining braided push-fit hose from the tap. Finally, insert the hose labeled Boiler to Tap into the opening at the base of the black pipe. Take a moment. Check all hoses are smooth, untwisted, and neatly positioned. Step 7. Connect the boiler. Remove the protective covers from the boiler connections. Connect the boiler to tap hose to the red outlet. Hand tighten, then secure with half a turn using a spanner. Connect hose number 3 to the blue inlet. Hand tighten, then half a turn with a spanner. Please note, connection positions may vary slightly by model. Inspect for kinks. Adjust the weight if needed so the hose moves freely. Step 8. Install the drain valve. Choose a suitable position on your waste pipe. Drill an 8mm hole on the top or side.
Take a moment.
Do not install into a trap or standing water. Attach the adhesive sponge pad inside the clamp. Secure the retaining clips onto the pipe, ensuring alignment with the drilled hole.
Take a moment.
Connect the drain pipe between the waste and the boiler. Secure with clips, shorten if necessary. Plug in the power cable, but do not switch on yet. Step 9. Turn on water. Turn the mains water supply back on. Open the three-way valve. Inspect every connection carefully for leaks. Step 10. Flush the system. Turn on normal hot and cold water using the right-hand lever. Turn the left-hand handle towards you to run filtered cold water. Allow it to flow for 1 to 2 minutes. Activate boiling water by sliding the safety catch left and turning the handle away from you. The boiler will fill first. Water will begin once full. Step 11. First activation. Switch the power onto the boiler. Press the flashing power button on the display to activate it. Then press the button located below the power button to start the heating cycle. This button can also be used to adjust the temperature setting. Allow the boiler to fully heat. Dispense approximately 2.4 litres of boiling water. Repeat once more to fully flush the system. And that's it. Installation complete. Your Quel Tap Ultra Plus is now installed, refined, powerful, ready to perform.